Do y'all want to know what the big surprise is?
Yes.
You want to know right now?
Yes.
We're getting on a plane right now and we're going to Disney World. We're about to get on an airplane. Are you ready?
Yay! What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
I thought we were
We're going to Disney World right now.
I thought we were gonna do next year.
No, we're going this year instead.
Yay!
What do you think?
I thought you said, yay, I'm so excited. Did you tell youngest about it?
Yeah, I already told everybody at the daycare.
Yay!
Everybody knows you're going.
Yay!
Are you so happy?
Yeah,
I'm gonna
so
survive
happy.
those scary
When's-
rides.
When's our flight
Yeah.
gonna be?
Huh?
When's our flight?
In a couple of hours. Oh, no, like an hour.
Good. And I'm so excited. My heart's just pounding.
Your heart's just pounding.
We're going to Disneyland. Much better than Six Flags.
How do you feel?
Oh, we got.
I feel happy about it.
Yeah? Was this a big surprise?
Yes.
Did you have any idea?
Yes. Yes.
Yay. What do you say?
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.